Above all else, guide your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs chapter 4, verses 23. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is an exciting video because I love to prep things ahead. The holidays are fast approaching, and one of the things that you could do to save time with all these long cooking hours is definitely to make yourself some all-purpose tomato-based sauce, which is going to go with everything, your stews, your soups, your pasta sauce, and everything. So let's get right into it. So you need some fresh tomatoes. I got my hands on these tomatoes. They were so affordable at the farmers market, and I had to get a few of them. They are so nice and fresh and very juicy, as you can see. So go ahead, wash your tomatoes very, very well with a bit of vinegar if you have, and just go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces as I am doing here. Okay. Very much needed recipe that lots of my friends also kept asking that I posted, because I showed a few of them. They were really in love. So please be sure to give me a thumbs up and also share to a few friends and family. All right. So now that I'm done cutting all the tomatoes, I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients now. And just in case you miss any, do not worry. I will still go ahead and list each and every one below in the description box. So here I have some fresh rosemary, some garlic, and I also have some red peppers. I also have some ginger. You may use the amount that you prefer. I have lots of onions, both the yellow and the red ones, and a bit of habanero pepper, which is optional because you can always add the amount of peppers you like to add whilst you're making your stew. Okay. I love a little bit of heat in there. That's why I went ahead to add it. So I'm now going to go ahead and cut all my peppers. You may also use some red bell peppers, the round one. Any shape will do. It just gives that tomato based sauce a beautiful color. You may also even go ahead and throw in some carrots here as well. And you can also definitely use any vegetables that you like to have in your stews and soups. Definitely acceptable. These are my favorite one. Of course, you can always add, subtract, multiply, whatever way you want. Okay, so now that I'm done with the red peppers, I'm going to now cut my onions. Use the large onions. I love lots of onions in my stew, if you've noticed. So you go ahead and do you. All right, I'll also add few red onions as well. Wash it very well, and then also cut my ginger and habanero pepper. All right, so now that we're done with all the cutables and every prep, we're now going to go ahead and put everything in our pot. So every ingredient is looking absolutely clean and fresh here. As you can see, it's very nicely washed as well. So go ahead, put about half cup of water at the bottom of your pot before you add your tomatoes. Even though it's very juicy and it's going to release all the juices later, you do not want your pot to end up burning. Actually, if you're using a non-stick pot like I'm doing here, it's going to save you from a lot of trouble. So go ahead and throw all the ingredients in and just cover it. Allow this to cook for the next 30 to 45 minutes. You want to be checking up on it every now and then to again avoid the base of the tomatoes from burning, because once anything at the bottom burns, forget it. This whole thing is spoiled because you're going to just smell it so hard, and it's not good at all. Okay, so this was about 15 minutes ish of it cooking, and as you can see, it has really gone down in size, and that's exactly what we want. And it has lots of juices coming through. And to reduce the amount of juices in here, you just want to go ahead and cook it without covering it. This is the only way you're going to lose all that juices. Okay, so this is about 50 minutes of it cooking. I also allow this to rest for overnight if you prefer. It's the best idea. Just allow it to rest before you start to blend it, because once you're done blending, everything is going to end up in your containers. You do not want to store hot food. That's not good. You want to make sure that it is nice and cold before it end up in your freezers and fridges. That is all, family. Amazing that you'll be making your jollof stew, your chicken stew, your beef stew. I mean, the list can go on and on and on in just few minutes, because everything is being done already. I want you to really make this ahead of time before the holiday rush hours and stress come kicking at you. I do not want you to go through that, okay? So yes, that is it for you, family. I hope you really enjoyed this. With this done, about 30% of the stress from cooking the holiday meals is over. It's over. It's over. So go ahead and grab some few tomatoes, make this ahead of time, and you will thank me later. We are done. You can just whip all your stews recipes, as I've already said. It is absolutely amazing. Definitely store it in your Ziploc bags if you do not have containers like this, or you can just put it in your rubber and chichire it, okay? This can be stored in the freezer for about 3 months, and in the fridge it can stay all the way up to 3 to 1 month. Okay, so there you have it. It is absolutely incredible. You just need to try this and you will absolutely love it. There you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello darling, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.